Hi, I'm Jim, part of the product team here at Blindster.com, and I'd like to tell you about our super value cordless light filtering shades, available in both traditional bottom-up or top-down bottom-up configurations. With great features at an exceptional price, these shades really are a super value. Let's take a closer look. Cellular shades are well known for their insulating abilities, and our super value cellular shades provide great insulation in your window for year-round energy-saving benefits. These shades feature a single-cell fabric design with air-trapping cells stacked one on top of the other. The shade fabric creates a buffer to help mitigate temperature changes through your window. Our super value cellular shades all have large fabric cells with 3/4 inch pleats on the front of the shade. These large cells not only insulate well, they also provide a well-proportioned look even in larger windows. Since larger pleats means fewer pleats, the shade doesn't look too busy and stacks tightly when fully raised. Our super value cellular shades have no external pull cords. Instead, there are internal mechanisms which not only hold the shade in place, but also assist with moving the shade up and down. To operate, just pull up on the handle to raise, and pull it back down to lower. The cordless system makes the shade child-safe and extremely easy to operate. Plus, you get a tidy, cord-free appearance in the window. Note that the skew of the bottom rail is adjustable. This may be different from other cordless shades that you've seen. This design actually helps the shade to operate more smoothly and last longer for many years of reliable performance. A tip for these shades is to raise and lower them from the middle to keep the bottom rail level. Wider shades will come with 2 handles. Just apply even, balanced pressure so that the shade is level when moving. This is actually the best practice for any cordless shade, as it helps the internal cords to spool properly and doesn't unbalance the cordless mechanisms. If you opt for our super value cordless top-down bottom-up cellular shade, you can not only raise the shade from the bottom, you can also lower it from the top. This feature gives you more options for light and privacy control, since you can open the shade from both ends. These shades are especially helpful wherever privacy is a concern, such as bedrooms and bathrooms, as well as other windows facing the street or your neighbors' homes. You can let in direct sunlight or look out the top of the shade while keeping anyone outside from seeing in. Our super value light filtering shades feature a semi-opaque fabric that provides diffused light through the shade while blocking damaging UV rays. Note that darker colored shades block slightly more light than lighter colors. These shades provide both daytime and nighttime privacy, although as with most light filtering shades at night, objects directly in front of the window might appear as vague shadows from outside. There are a few more things that help these shades receive our super value designation. They have a painted aluminum head rail and bottom rail that are color coordinated to the fabric, as well as heavy-duty brackets for easy and secure installation. The cordless lift feature is included standard, providing easy and child-safe operation. And the back of the shade is white to present a neutral appearance to the outside, to comply with HOA requirements, or so that you can have different colored shades in different windows. I hope you'll agree that our super value cellular shades are both super and a great value. If you have any questions, let us know and we'll be happy to assist you.
At Blindster, we don't just want customers today, we want customers for life.